So day one, day two actually on the greenhouse installation. We got this purposed carport, BMR style. You usually have the tarp over it. So we're going to use this frame as a greenhouse. To do that, we've got it all set up. We did that yesterday. Made sure things were level, and we had our four corners squared out. So today what we hope to get done is the framing. So we're going to have to frame it all with strapping. We're going to put one along here, one along the bottom so that we can have an opening. And at the ends we're going to have to frame up here and around so we can frame in the ends. For us, our best solution is have a door on the side. So we're going to have a door over here. So we're going to get to work on that. Right, Phil?
Yes.
All right. All right, so we got back from lunch. We attached the bottom plate on one side, so we're going to use that to attach the plastic to and then level everything too. So we're going to do the other side now. It's a little more involved than you would think, trying to get it level and everything. But that's an important step we find. Okay.
Concern that we
232.
not crash our economy.
Okay, we gotta move it like half an inch almost.
For longer than is necessary.
So I'll try like this. Get the door frame in.